Good morning. I'm Jennifer Seymour with Ely Goud Hardy Architects, and here with me is Miss Betty Jones, JPS Procurement Coordinator. We're here for bid opening for the window replacement for Lake Elementary, Smith Elementary, and Wingfield High School, bid number 3224. We have no paper bids this morning. We do have one online bid. That online bid is from Century Construction Group Incorporated. Their certificate of responsibility number is 11403-MC. They're a resident contractor. They acknowledge the receipt of one bid. Their base bid lump sum price is $1,455,000. Their bid alternate 1 is $166,166,000. Bid alternate number 2 is $35,035,000. Bid alternate 3 is $46,046,000. Bid alternate 4 is $70,070,000. Bid alternate 5 is $156,156,000. Bid alternate 6 is $178,178,000. For contract time, their base bid is 510 days, 0 additional days for bid alternate 1 through 6. They include their bid bond at 5% through Travelers Casualty and Surety Company of America. And that is the end of their bid document. And that concludes our bid opening for bid number 3224.